We are looking at quadratic expressions and equations. We shall start with expanding algebraic expressions. When we are expanding algebraic expressions, majorly we look at opening brackets. So we shall consider the product of a plus b and ac plus d. This product can be written as the multiplication of the two brackets. So how do we open these brackets and how do we simplify this? Suppose we are given that we let c plus d be u, so that instead of writing the second bracket we shall write u. That means that u can multiply every element in the first bracket, and therefore we shall have au plus bu, and therefore remember that u is replacing or representing the second bracket, meaning that where we have u is where we shall put our second bracket. In simple terms, when we are opening two brackets, we maintain one of the brackets and split the other. So in this case, we have maintained the second bracket and we have split the first one. That's why you see that it is a into c plus d plus b into c plus d. So we are maintaining the second bracket and we are splitting the first bracket. Then the figure outside multiplies each term inside, so that we get AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. So that is how we expand the brackets. We see that each term in the first bracket is multiplied by each term in the second bracket. True. We look at examples. We are told to expand 3x plus 2 into 5 plus 4y. So we are going to keep the second bracket and split the first bracket, meaning that each term in the first bracket will multiply the second bracket. For instance, 3x will multiply the second bracket, and also the plus 2 will multiply the second bracket. That is, we shall have 3x into 5 plus 4y close brackets plus 2 into 5 plus 4y, and now we open the brackets so that the 3 multiplies with 5 to get 15x plus 12xy plus 10 plus 80y. So we shall now collect like terms if they are values that can be collected. But since we don't have common factors that can be collected together, that becomes our answer. So that is how we open brackets, or that's how we expand brackets. We maintain one and split the other. In our next example, that is example 9.2, we are told to expand 2a minus 5 into b plus 9. Still, we can maintain the second bracket and split the first, whereby 2a multiplies the second bracket and also the negative 5 multiplies the second bracket. to give us 2a into b plus 9 minus 5 into b plus 9, so that we come up with 2ab plus 18a minus 5b, and now the negative outside will affect the positive inside. You know very well that a negative times a positive gives us a positive, sorry, gives us a negative. So we shall have the negative 45. And still, if you look at this, we have no like terms that we can bring together, so that becomes our final answer. In our third example, we have to expand x plus 3 over 5 into y minus a quarter. Still, we are keeping one of the brackets to be constant, and then we shall split the other. So in this case, we can either maintain the first or the second. If we are to maintain the second, that means that x will multiply the second bracket, and the plus 3 over 5 will also multiply the second bracket, and therefore we shall get x times y minus x times a quarter to give us xy minus a quarter x plus 3 over 5y minus 3 over 20. Because we must know that the figure outside multiplies every term inside. So you are going to try out for those 4 numbers to evaluate yourself.